So we're in Nice in the south of France. We're at NGON and DCI World. It's all about optical networking, essentially, annual event. And it's day one of the event, and there's been a lot of talk so far about the size of the market, the value of the market, and some interesting stats from Ian Redpath at Ovum. The global optical networking market as a whole over the past 10 years is kind of roughly almost the same value, roughly in the $15 billion a year market spent on optical networking gear. But the areas, the types of optical networking gear that money's been spent on has shifted over time, more towards metro, a bit more towards long haul. And who's spending the money, of course, is shifting. There's more investment coming from the global internet players. And within that, there's been a rapid rise in the past couple of years. Redpath noted the data center interconnect, that's the DCI part. That's grown from practically nothing 3 years ago to be a $1 billion a year market by last year. So dramatic growth there. And of course, what's driving most of the investment these days is the increasing use of cloud by enterprises. So a lot of traffic needed to be transported into data centers and between data centers. And that traffic continues to grow and will drive ongoing investment. And in the future, where's it all going? Well, as Redpath summed up, today is cloudy, the future is 5G. Those 5G investments that people have been looking for in the optical sector, it sounds like they're yet to kick in.